Hi guys, thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be installing backsplash tile, and that's going to be installed over existing backsplash tile. Customer just didn't want old tile to be demolished, so we just gave him estimate to do it over the existing. So there are a few things you need to know when you're installing tile over existing tile. First of all, you need to degrease it, make sure all grease and soap is gone from the existing backsplash. Second thing you gotta do is you gotta rough up the surface. Either use your electric sander or um, or manual sander. Just you need to rough up that surface. What we do here, we used regular mastic tile adhesive. It's a type 1, and we putting it on the existing backsplash as well as on the tile. That way it'll stick a lot better. So let's get to it, and I hope you guys have fun watching it. Let's talk about cost. Tile for the whole job cost me under $50. Grout was on sale for $9.99, and adhesive was $16.99 plus tax. So the whole job in materials was under $100. So how long job like this takes? Well, this particular job took 3.5 hours, and then the next day we had to grout it. What you want to do, you want to install the tile and then wait overnight for the adhesive to set up. Then remove the spacers, and then you should be able to install grout on it. Alright, we're back. We waited overnight for the adhesive to set up, and I've installed grout, and now I'm just wiping it off. Color of this grout is light gray. It's supposed to dry a little darker, but I think that color was a good match. What do you guys think? Okay, these are the tools that I used, and also I used grout, which is not pictured here. As you can see, you don't need that many tools. You can get away with just inexpensive tools. Thank you for watching. You have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.